When a computer needs to store a list of things, it has two very different ways to do it. One is like a row of numbered seats, the other is like a treasure hunt. Let's see what that means. Two ways to store a list. An array is one solid block. Jump straight to item 5. A linked list scatters items and joins them with pointers. Easy to insert, but you must follow the chain to find anything. An array lines every item up in one tidy continuous block of memory. Seat 1, Seat 2, Seat 3. A linked list scatters items anywhere and uses little arrows, called pointers, to connect them in order. Think of an array as a cinema with reserved numbered seats all in one row. A linked list is more like a treasure hunt. Each clue tells you where the next one is. Getting to a specific clue means walking through every one before it. Arrays are fast at lookups. Because every slot is the same size, the computer just does quick math. Start address plus item number times slot size, and it lands exactly on the right memory location in one jump. Each piece of a linked list is called a node, and every node holds two things: the actual data and a pointer to the next node. To find item 5, the computer hops through nodes one by one, like following a chain of clues. Use an array when you mostly read items by their position and the list stays roughly the same size like a top 10 scoreboard. Use a linked list when your list grows, shrinks, or gets reshuffled constantly, like a playlist you keep editing. Arrays give you instant access to any position but dislike change. Linked lists love being rearranged, but make you walk the whole chain to find one item. Great programmers pick the right structure for the job, and now you know the difference.